Hello guys, my name is Rajesh and welcome to the Microsoft Excel tutorial step by step day 7. And today we are going to cover up Vlookup and Hlookup function. So the Vlookup and Hlookup are the functions that helps find the particular value in the large range of rows or columns. Suppose we have this data. Here we have the code number, name of item, MRP and discount offer. And we want to write the price and discount from this data. So there are actually two methods. One is manual method. What you can do is that the name of item here is fan. So you can search the fan here. Oh, it's in 9th row. So what you can do is that you can simply write 170 and 45 like this, but this will not work if you have huge amount of data. So we will use Vlookup function here. I will show you how. Just write equal to Vlookup, and what is the lookup value? This one, fan. We want to search fan. In which table? In this table. So we will select from here to here. We will select this whole table because we don't know where the fan is, comma, column index number. Here, column index number. So this is the first column in this table. This is not the column because we didn't select it. This is the first column. This is the second column. Alright, so we will write 2, comma. Now for the exact match you need to write false, F-A-L-S-E, false, bracket close and press enter. So this is 170, right? Okay, if I drag it down, this will happen. So here is one error. Why this error occur? I will show you how. You can see the formula. Here the formula is B3 to D15. Here you can see B3 to D15. Okay, but if I go here, it becomes B4 to D16, and here it becomes B7 to D17 because this is the relative cell difference. So we want to fix this table. Okay, every time we will see from this top row to bottom row. So how to fix it? Just go here and put the dollar sign here and here. Press enter. Now if you drag it down, this become fixed. Our table is fixed. Now wherever you will see, this table is fixed, but this value is changing because this is the name of item. Alright, similar for discount, equal to Vlookup, lookup value is fan, comma, table array is the same like this, and this time we will use dollar sign. Okay, dollar sign, here also $D, $15. Okay, comma, which one column now? 1, 2, 3. 3 column, comma, false. Enter. Now if you drag it down, this becomes our data. If we have small amount of data, then no problem. But if we have thousands of data, even millions of data, then this Vlookup function is very helpful. Okay. Now let's go to Hlookup. Hlookup is nothing but the horizontal lookup function. Vlookup we will see in vertical way. In Hlookup we will see the data in horizontal way. Let's suppose this is the same data but in horizontal. So now let's find price of fan from this table. Where the fan is? It is in J column, right? Here you can see. So we will write Hlookup. Hlookup, lookup value is this fan, comma, table array is comma, row index number. This is the first row, this one is second row, this one is third row. So right now we are in second row because we have to find MRP or price. So we will write 2, and for the exact match we will write false. Press enter. That's it. And don't forget to put dollar sign again here. Okay, let me put the dollar sign. Alright, if you drag it down, all value will be calculated. And similarly for discount, HLOOKUP, lookup value is fan again, comma, table array is this again, and let's put the $sign, okay, comma, and then row index number 1 2 3. Now it is 3, comma, false. Alright, if we drag it down, the value can be calculated. You can check this value. Table, price 35, discount 30. Let's see where the table is. Alright, here the table is $35 and 30% is the discount. So in this way you can use Vlookup function within the sheet or outside the sheet. I'll show you the example of using the Vlookup or HLOOKUP function in multiple sheets. Do you remember that we create one invoice in our second tutorial? This was the invoice. Alright, table here, the Vlookup function, so that this MRP and discount will automatically come. So how can I write? Let's use the Vlookup function equal to Vlookup rate, lookup value is table, alright, comma, and the table of array is here in this sheet, market. Go to market and select all these till here. Now you can see the value here, okay. Now let's make it $sign so that it will be fixed, comma, and the column index number, what we want? Rate. Rate means MRP, so we will put 2 here, comma, false, enter. Now you can see rate is 35, it will automatically come. Similar for discount, Vlookup, lookup value is again table, comma, table array, where the table is here in the next sheet. Do like this and put $sign here. Column index number is now 3 because discount is in third column, and false. Okay, so discount is 0.3, it should not be 0.3. Just click here and it will become 30%. So our quantity is 4, rate is 35, discount is this, total is this. Now if we drag it down, let's drag it down till here, okay, and drag it down till here. Now let's do one more example. Now let's try if we put another thing, like for example, let's put gas burner. It should be 75 and discount is 70%. Let's put gas burner. It should automatically come. Gas burner. Yeah, you can see the rate and discount is already here. If we put quantity, then the total is already calculated. Now here you can see so many errors. These errors occur because we don't have anything in particular. Let's write speaker. Anywhere you can write here speaker. If you write speaker, then you can see the rate and discount. So what we need to do is that, let's delete these also. Now here you can see there are so many errors. Now we want to hide those errors. Okay, we don't want to show these errors in our printed bill. So what we will do, we will select the first one so that we will drag it down later on. What we will do, if error, then plus and press enter. Try if it works or not. Hanger. Wow, you can see the rate and discount is already here. 15. Alright, the total is 105. Okay, let's try one more. What is here? Let's see. Pillow. 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 It's working fine. 25 quantity. Total is 250. Alright, our grand total is 355. Alright, so in this way we can use VLOOKUP function within the sheet or outside the sheet or outside the workbook also. Here you can see this VLOOKUP function is very important. It is very useful if you have to select some particular amount of data from the huge amount of data. It can save your valuable time and make your calculation much more easier. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt or any confusion regarding any video or any topic related to Microsoft Excel, please comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. In return, please like, share and subscribe the channel and press that bell icon so that you will never miss such awesome computer learning tutorials. See you on the next video. Thank you and have a good day.